Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to go up and we're going to have a look at the castle here in Benidorm. And we got some lovely stalls up here today. Some nice jewellery stores. This one is one of my favourite stores with the pottery. One of these days I will actually treat myself to one for the garden. They are absolutely gorgeous. Knitted items, look at how cute them are. Some caricatures.
Caricature.
Caricatures and portraits. Sitting out for the big poetry.